Paychant Wallet Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the Paychant Wallet. Links to the product are in the description below. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about Paychant Wallet, including its features, strengths, and weaknesses, so you can make an informed decision on whether it's right for you. Paychant Wallet is a crypto payment solution designed for users who want a secure, simple way to manage their digital assets and make payments using cryptocurrencies. It supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, giving you flexibility in managing your holdings. One of the wallet's key strengths is its easy-to-use interface, which makes it accessible even for beginners. Whether you're sending or receiving funds, the process is quick, intuitive, and straightforward, making it ideal for those who are new to crypto. Another standout feature is the cross-platform functionality. Paychant Wallet is available on both desktop and mobile, which means you can access your assets and make payments anytime, anywhere. Additionally, it's designed for merchant integration, allowing businesses to accept cryptocurrency payments. This makes it a good choice for business owners who want to incorporate crypto into their payment systems. Security is another area where Paychant Wallet excels. It offers two-factor authentication, 2FA, encryption, and private key control, which ensures that your assets are stored securely and only accessible by you. The wallet also provides features like backup options and recovery phrases to ensure that you can recover your wallet if needed. On the downside, Paychant Wallet doesn't yet support advanced features like staking or DeFi functionalities. So if you're looking for a wallet with those capabilities, this might not be the right choice. Additionally, while its design is user-friendly, some might find the overall functionality basic compared to other wallets with more features. In conclusion, Paychant Wallet is an excellent option for those who want a secure and simple wallet for managing payments and everyday crypto transactions. Its easy interface, security features, and cross-platform access make it a solid choice for beginners and businesses alike. However, if you need advanced features like staking or DeFi, you might want to explore other options. Check the links in the description for more information.